Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 33. PCl5 gives PCl3 plus PCl2. Now, in this reaction, an increase in pressure will A. Decelerate the reaction, B. Increase the yield of PCl3, C. Increase the yield of PCl5, and D. Accelerate the reaction. Now, looking at this reaction, the reactant and the product are both in gaseous states. Like you can see, PCl5 is in gaseous states, and the PCl3 is in gaseous states, and the PCl2 is in gaseous states. All these are chloride of phosphorus, that's phosphorus chloride. Now, looking at this, an increase in pressure will have effect on this equation. Now, the effect of pressure on this equation depends on the amount of substance in the reactant and also in the product side. Now, the number of moles of reactants here is 1, and the number of moles of the products, combining that of the phosphorus 3 chloride and the phosphorus 2 chloride, that will give us 2. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Now, that is, the product has more substance than the reactant. Now, increase in pressure will favor the backward reaction. Increase in pressure will favor the backward reaction because the backward reaction is less in terms of amounts compared to the forward reaction, and so increase in pressure will tend to favor the backward reaction that has a lesser amount of substance, which is the reactant, and that is the phosphorus 5 chloride. So it will increase the yield of PCl5 and not PCl3 because the amount of the product is more than the amount of the reactant, and so increase in pressure will increase the yield of PCl5. But if there was to be a decrease in pressure, then the product will be favored. Thus, the forward reaction is going to be favored, and that will be the increase in the yield of PCl3. So the answer to this question is actually option C, increase the yield of PCl5, which is the reactant. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.